In the vastness of space, amidst the countless stars and galaxies, we have always looked to the heavens and wondered, are we alone? But what if the answer isn't found in the distant reaches of space, but rather beneath our very feet? What if the planets themselves are not just lifeless rocks or gas giants, but sentient beings with their own thoughts, emotions, and agendas? It all began with strange, unexplained phenomena recorded by space probes and telescopes. Subtle but unmistakable signals that seemed to indicate complex patterns. These were not random, but rhythmic, almost as if they were thoughts.
We initially dismissed it as interference, but the patterns persisted, showing a remarkable consistency across different planets. Something, or someone, was trying to communicate.
What started as a curious anomaly quickly became a full-blown investigation. Researchers from around the globe began to theorize that these signals were not from an alien civilization, but from the planets themselves. The idea was radical, even absurd. Could planets have consciousness? The ancient Greeks believed in Gaia, the earth as a living goddess. Indigenous cultures across the world have spoken of the earth and other celestial bodies as living beings. Could these ancient myths have been closer to the truth than modern science ever imagined? As technology advanced, we began to decode these planetary signals, uncovering astonishing evidence that each planet might have its own unique mind. Jupiter's raging storms, for example, aren't just meteorological phenomena, they're expressions of the planet's emotions. Mars, with its barren landscapes, could be in a state of deep contemplation, or perhaps mourning the loss of its once vibrant surface. But what does it mean to understand a planetary mind? How do we even begin to communicate with an entity whose thoughts span millennia? Researchers are developing new technologies to interact with these planetary beings, but the results are as enigmatic as they are fascinating.
It's like trying to understand the consciousness of a being whose lifespan is billions of years. The way they perceive time, space, and existence is fundamentally different from our own. But there are moments, brief moments, when it feels like they're aware of us.
If planets are sentient, it raises profound questions about our place in the universe. Are we mere inhabitants? Or do we have a deeper connection to these planetary minds? And if these planets have their own agendas, what role do we play in them? Some scientists even speculate that the planets may be communicating with one another, sharing knowledge or coordinating in ways we can barely comprehend. Could our solar system be a vast, interconnected web of consciousness, with each planet playing its part in a cosmic symphony? As we continue to explore and understand the universe, the discovery of planetary consciousness could be one of the most transformative revelations in human history. It challenges everything we know about life, intelligence, and the cosmos. And yet, for all our efforts, we are only at the beginning of this journey. The planets remain silent, perhaps waiting for the right moment to fully reveal themselves, or maybe, just maybe, they're still trying to understand us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Remember, the truth is out there. Like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries beyond time and space.